आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।
Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is your host Asad Shahid and you are watching Pak News, Pakistan Ki Awaaz. Right now I'm at Garibpura School. This is a girls' higher school and with me is Shumaila Naz. Today we are at a seminar, or you can say a starting ceremony organized by USAID programs. She is going to briefly describe what is the program about, how it will entertain the teachers and students, and what will be the outcomes of it. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir?
I'm very good. How about you, and how's the experience? And please tell me about this in a brief note.
All right. This is a really wonderful experience for me. Let me tell you, I am the T Alumni Teaching Excellence and Achievement Program 2022 from University of Nebraska, Omaha, USA. And when I got back to Pakistan, US Embassy is going to give us the grants to implement teacher training programs in our community. So this is one of the steps from this sequel. I have won this grant in District Gujarat, and I have devised and organized a teacher training course for English language teachers, and especially that is the PEAK ELT. PEAK ELT means it's the practice and execution of advanced knowledge of English language teaching.
So this course is majorly about English language.
Exactly.
So all these are crowd. They teach English in their classes, or it's just going to be addition in their language skills.
Yes, these teachers are not primarily, they are qualified in the English language. Like there are the teachers who have the mathematics degree, but they are teaching English into their classrooms. So this is actually for them, that how with a degree that is non-English degree, but they have to teach English into the classrooms. So I'm trying to equip them with the skills and activities that how they can go back to their classes and just facilitate their students and the beneficiaries of this training.
How many weeks will it be, and what the course will offer to the teachers?
All right. This course, first let me tell you that this course is fully funded by US State Department and the Department RELO. That is the Department of US Embassy at Pakistan, Regional English Language Office, and implemented by Vision Building Future. So this course has 5 weeks, and we have 2 sessions each week, Friday and Saturday, and total 60 credit hours we have to cover in these 5 weeks. And the content is about reading, listening, speaking, writing, and lexical aspects of language, and social and ethical aspects of language also.
It more sounds like a IELTS course, listening, reading, writing, and all.
Well, this is something differentiated between IELTS and this course, because this course is actually going to equip them with the strategies that how they are going to facilitate the students with all these skills.
Miss Shumaila, I was talking with the crowd, and one of the honorable teachers, she explained to me that this course will provide us micro teaching skills. Can you please explain that? That was new for me.
Yes, micro teaching is different from the teaching. Like when there are students.
How is it different?
Okay, this is the difference, that when the teachers are there, one teacher is there in the class and the students are, the audience. That is the teaching. But when one teacher is there for teaching and the rest of the fellows are the audience, so that is micro teaching.
Like you mean it's like a group, scheduling a group or engaging the students to become a group?
Yes, basically this is a trial and error method. This is a practice method, as I mentioned, that is the part of PEAK ELT, that this is the practice and execution of advanced knowledge of English language teaching. They are going to practice in the micro teaching sessions in the group, and I am going to give them the constructive feedback on that micro teaching.
Well, we wish you luck from Park News and from my side actually. So we were having Miss Shumaila Naz. She is going to rock and roll soon with the teachers. she's going to train them and equip them with the advanced level of English skills, which is going to help students in micro teaching. This is all from Park News. Rest you will see in the upcoming program.
One thing that I just need to share with all the audience who will see my recording or watch, that this course is not only fully funded and the training is free, but we are going to pay to the trainees also. They are going to get their traveling allowances, and yes, this is a great motivation and facilitation on the part of embassy. All right, they are going to be paid with 2,000 per week. So since it is a 5 weeks program, so they are going to have 10,000 for this course. So yes, I'm really very thankful to the Park News, and I hope and I have a lot of expectation with this channel that they are going to promote this channel of learning, and more people are going to join us. So since I have completed the slots of my prime candidates, but the doors are open and the alternate candidates can always come and join my course. Thank you so much.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।